The Alchemist, Paulo Coelho, Book Summary. Master everything you need to know right here in this one video. We have gathered the most critical facts, real examples, and expert insights together so you get complete clarity and confidence starting right now. In The Alchemist, Paulo Coelho weaves a captivating tale of self discovery and destiny. The story follows Santiago, a shepherd boy from Andalusia who dreams of finding treasure in the Egyptian pyramids. Driven by a recurring dream, Santiago sets off on a journey that changes the course of his life. The core premise revolves around Santiago's quest to fulfill his personal legend, a concept representing one's destiny and purpose. Along the way, Santiago encounters various characters, such as a wise king, a crystal merchant, and an alchemist, all of whom offer him lessons that help him grow and understand the world. One transformative insight from the novel is the idea that the universe conspires to assist those who pursue their dreams with genuine intent. Santiago's journey illustrates how every challenge and encounter contributes to his growth, emphasizing the importance of perseverance and faith in following one's dreams. Another significant theme is the pursuit of personal legend. Coelho suggests that each person has a unique path to follow, and realizing this destiny is key to true fulfillment. Santiago's adventures symbolize the universal quest for meaning and the courage required to pursue it. The novel also underscores the importance of listening to one's heart. Santiago learns to trust his intuition, which guides him through trials and decisions. Coelho conveys that understanding and heeding one's inner voice is crucial in navigating life's complexities. One of the most memorable moments is Santiago's interaction with the alchemist, who helps him understand the value of transformation and the realization of potential. This meeting symbolized Santiago's internal journey towards enlightenment beyond just the pursuit of material wealth. Paulo Coelho, born in Brazil, is known for his philosophical and spiritual narratives. His diverse experiences, including a pilgrimage on the Camino de Santiago, greatly influence his writing style and thematic exploration of self-discovery and personal growth. The Alchemist continues to matter today for its timeless themes of aspiration, courage, and self-improvement. In a world where people often seek purpose and fulfillment, Coelho's story serves as a reminder to follow one's dreams and trust in the journey. An actionable takeaway from The Alchemist is the encouragement to pursue your personal legend with courage and faith. Coelho's narrative inspires readers to embrace their dreams and listen to their hearts, teaching that true happiness and fulfillment come from living authentically and pursuing one's true path. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.